right side's alright. Because it's attached with these cheap-ass wires. See? See the cheap wires? Even then, that whole thing's shot. All rusted. Rust, shaking off the rust. Oh. It's called quiet flows. That's the name on the muffler. Quiet flows. It's hardly quiet. Fucking thing's loud. You see how it moves. Oh, now it's dripping. Even a simple tap like that makes the hole. Let me show you where else it's rusted. The pipe that leads into the muffler. Let's get under the car. Look at how bad that's rusted. This is the pipe. There it is. That's where it's loose underneath. Oh my God, it's all fucking rusted out. Let's zoom in. This whole piece is like not even attached. There's where the fucking problem is. Look, it's not even fucking attached. My exhaust system is virtually... The exhaust is exiting right here where I'm shaking. The exhaust exiting there, not even coming back through the tailpipe. Look at that. Look at that. I could shake that whole fucking thing. It's because that whole fucking piece there is rusted out. That whole thing is just hanging on by a screw. Look, and then it goes into this pipe that they welded on. Look, it shakes all the way up into the front of the car. See? Look. Look, this whole part here. That's dangerous. And by the way, not to alarm you, but every bit of this piping. See this? Where it's shaking? I'll shake it again. See, that's the whole underneath exhaust manifold, all the way up to the front. Every bit of the muffler exhaust piping is completely rusted and eroded. Every fucking bit of it. Rust. This whole exhaust system needs replaced. $1,000 job plus. It's all rusted out. The whole piping from the bottom of the engine all the way through the whole car is all rusted out and destroyed.